Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today I will share with you 1000 Photoshop brushes package. You can download link in description. Now I'm extract here this file. Open this folder. Okay. Now you can see they have totally 8 pack in there. Now I'm extract one by one. Completed. Now I'm open Adobe Photoshop and showing you how to install brushes file. You can open direct, or you can do it the way I'm opening it. Using the brushes is really easy. There's no complex system here. Simply select one from the brush tab and draw with the brush tool. You can then adjust the width, repose and recolor to get that perfect look. As you can see, I opened this glitch brush with 20 glitches and it was installed. This is how to install everything. So I'm showing one by one. Check out this collection of 1000 Photoshop brushes that feature various plants. This set would be perfect for any nature-oriented design. You can download this set and use it for a commercial pack. It's free. I am forwarding the tutorial fast as it has become very big. The demand for high-quality Photoshop brushes is huge. Every designer wants them. Every designer needs them. And as you will no doubt already know, we love to highlight and share as many free design resources as we can. And today we take a look at some of the best higher-resolution Photoshop brush packs currently available in the pack. So grab them while you can and top up your designer toolbox. You just never know when you will need them. We hope you find them useful. There are 9 fabric textures in this pack, and are all sized at 4380px by 4917px with a resolution of 300p. Sign up is required in this brushes pack. If you're looking for a way to add artistic elements to your designs, look no further than these beautiful watercolor brushes. The set contains 50 watercolor brushes along with other various watercolor in this pack. very easy. All the files are the same. Hope there will be no problem. If there is a problem, of course, let us know in the comments. We will make a video accordingly and show you. Well, this was today's tutorial, so if you like it, be sure to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thanks.